I think the program was phenomenal. Not one, but many key messages, key takeaways. Important one on collaboration. We have our own thoughts, mindsets about how we should work in a team, but we forget that in our own transactional process, what do you need to achieve as a larger organization or a larger team or a larger group. And I think that's the key takeaway from this program. Apart from the fact that you get to interact with people from different fraternities and also at the same time get to know, get to meet. And this is not just an ordinary one-off program. It has some history, some values, some culture that comes from behind. I think the way it's structured, the way it's organized, and the way the learnings are captured in the end, in the debrief, I think that is the key value add of this program on the search for the lost Dutchman's gold mine. Thank you.
I kind of actually had a good sense of achievement coming for this program. It gave me a perspective about clarity of objective towards achieving one's goal. I think it was very well elaborated, and the conception or the conceptual skills that you can probably enhance is what everybody gets to learn from here. More of such program and engagement will only get you making you a better leader.
This program was very, very unique program because it involved a lot of activities. In fact, it was activity-based program, and it is one of the very informative program that I've attended in recent times. I think it teaches a lot of things which you would not find in one particular program. So the learnings that we got from this particular program, they were immense.
This has really been a great experience. I've had some trainings in the past also, but this was very crisp, clear and precise, up to the point. And I think I will take a lot of experience out of this training program back into my working arena, wherein one of the main things which I would look at is changing my perspective, in which I look both down the line as well as to my seniors. And this has really definitely helped me. Thank you so much.
It is with immense pleasure I can say that a lot of learnings from the time I've stepped and now it's a very holistic approach to life what I will be taking away from here, and being positive, being focused, being not competent but collaborative, and couple of being assertive. These are a couple of things which are the takeaways from the program.
Today, the program that we had here was quite interesting in an aspect where we assume that we know a lot of things. We forget that we also need to collaborate and maximize our efforts so that others can also succeed. Because that would help in terms of the serving the bigger goals, bigger purpose of the whole organization.
Definitely after coming to this program, we have to do a lot of planning, a lot of execution, and sometimes we are much more driven by the competitors, where I have learned that we have to be a lot of collaborative, focused, teamwork we have to do a lot of teamwork together, and planning and execution has to give in more time and the spot decision, which is very important. Thank you.
Of course, this was a great program organized by EduRiser. We simply enjoyed every minute of it. There was not a single minute that we felt it was like bored. It was a great learning experience in terms of teamwork, collaboration. It was great, and surely we'll have more people attending this training in near future. Thanks.
The program I attended just now was very good, and it was a good learning experience by Mr. Solomon. And I'm very happy about all the arrangements and everything what they have made, and basically the presentation. Thank you very much.